Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. On today's video I'm going to be making a different type of puff-puff. I told you in my previous video I was going to make another type of puff-puff. This is called ground beef puff-puff. Sit back, relax as I introduce my ingredients and step-by-step of this to you. Firstly, I measure my 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of milk. This time around I'm going to be using only milk without water, 2 teaspoons of yeast, instant yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Keep watching guys. Thereafter I filter the sugar and the all-purpose flour so as to remove the lumps and the dirt. Then I added the dry ingredient, which is the salt, nutmeg, and instant yeast. Then stir together before mixing. This time around I'm going to be mixing with the mixer. If you want to see the process of mixing by manual, refer to my previous video. As you can see, I'm mixing. On the other side, I'm adding the liquid, which is the milk, little by little as the mixer continue mixing. The batter right there, it is ready to stay in a warm place for 1.5 hours. Just the same process as the previous puff-puff I made. The only difference here is I'm going to be using ground beef. So while I allow the batter to stay for 1.5 hours, I will marinate the ground beef with 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, half onion salt powder, and 1 teaspoon of basil leaf. This is just to add flavor and make the beef sweet. Then I mix the seasoning with the beef together, mix thoroughly, then add a handful of flour, then mix together. The reason why I'm adding the flour is to be able to mold the beef into the shape I want, the cylinder or ball shape I needed for the puff-puff. That is it right there. Before molding, first of all, I molded into a ball shape before rolling into cylinder shape. Watch guys, you see the process. Do not skip so that you don't miss any process. It is a detailed step by step. So watch guys so that you can also know how to do your own. Watch, keep watching so that you can also practice your own. So I continue rolling the beef until all beef is rolled into the desired shape, which is the cylinder shape and the ball shape. You can roll your own into any shape you want. I'm doing it slowly here so that you can actually see what I'm doing. So I continue until all beef is attached to the stick. I'm actually doing this so that I will be able to dip the beef into the batter. So after rolling it, after attaching it to the stick, I will go ahead and pre-cook for 2 minutes. The reason why I'm pre-cooking is I don't just want to fry direct so that we don't have undercooked beef. You know I'm using fresh beef, so to be safe, I'm just going to pre-cook for 2 minutes in an air fryer before dipping into the batter and fry. Keep watching. Here I'm done prepping the beef. The next step is to pre-cook the beef in an air fryer so that the beef will be well cooked. That is the beef in the air fryer for 2 minutes. You look at that. I've finished pre-cooking for 2 minutes. Now we'll start by frying. So I got the batter out of the oven after 1.5 hours. Then the frying process have started. Just keep watching. You see the result of this. At this point, if you have not subscribed to me, please do subscribe to me. Hit the notification bell so that I don't need to remind you whenever I post. Comment, like, and share. It is very important to me. I love you so much for the previous video. The support was massive. Keep supporting me. So I continue frying, then flip the beef puff over so that the other side can be fried also. That is the first batch. Done with the first batch, so I will continue frying until all beef is fried, as you can see. So at this point, I'll finish frying the beef puff. There was still leftover of the batter, so I decided to fry it as normal puff. That is what you see me do. Flip over and get them out of the oil. Thank you guys. If you have watched up to this time, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. I love you so much for your support. Keep supporting me. Guys, just look at this result. A1 5 stars. Hip hip. Done it again. At this point, I can say I make the best puff. Whole white puff. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I think I need to change my channel name. What should I suggest? What I should change my channel name? Should I niche to cookie channel? Look at that. Just look at that goodness. Joy, you have done it again. Look at that beef. Look at that. I rate this beef puff 10 over 10 minus nothing. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.